Hi, okay, wanted to demonstrate for you the Denix STG44 conversion to an A280 by installing the pump grip, which is what we have, this all aluminum pump grip. What we have to do is on the bottom of the Denix, there is a barrel cover that has two standard screws in it, and standard, not Phillips. Okay. All right, so we take the two screws out here, just small little screws. You can store them away for I don't know, unless you want to put this back on without the pump grip later if for some reason. But once you do that, this piece comes off pretty easily. So this pump grip has been designed to where the holes that attach back into the barrel, right here, the threaded tapped holes, that the screws will just thread right back into there once you put it over the top. So this is a really snug fit. It doesn't just like slide over because there is a little lip here, and it needs to be snug enough to where it goes over that lip, but then does not have any gap at the top that has to be filled. So you can see once it's on, it's pretty solid. So you need to like maybe use a rubber mallet or your hand and line up the holes. And then once you've got those looking about where you want it to, looks like it needs a little bit more. Just about there. All right, then it lines up. You can see, looks pretty good there. And on this side too, like just perfect fit. The holes line up. Now you'll just put it right back down over the top. And this is my sandblaster. So there's a little bit of sand grit on this. I sandblasted because I wanted to sandblast my whole Denix. So, all right, so there it is, snug. Then you just use the two longer set screws that I've included and tighten it right back in, and you've got yourself installed pump grip that can be removed by just unscrewing it if you wanted to later. So that's a demonstration of how that gets attached. One other little note to keep in mind. When setting the screws, don't tighten the first one up all the way, just get it started. And then when you're going to put the second screw in, I've noticed that sometimes you might have to tap it with a rubber mallet or just with your hand a little bit in, because the screw is a little bit on the front barrel side, because I didn't want this detail to get damaged. If we would have put it exactly lined up, it would have eaten into that detail a little bit. So it's manageable. Just get it started, tap a little bit, get the other one started. Then once they're both started, tighten them all up and you're good to go. So that's a quick demonstration of the pump grip.